What X? I don't have X, okay? I don't have X, okay? I will hide you there, ha? I will block you there if you don't stop asking me, ha? You must behave there. I don't like your comments there. I don't need your comments, okay? If you don't want to hide you, ha, you behave there. I don't make visitor who is not good in my life, okay? I will, I will, I will, I will remove you, ha? Justin, I will remove moderator for you. You go to hell, not me.